Welcome home to your gamified life planner RPG Notion template, and this is going to be a walkthrough video of how to use the template that you just bought from me from either Etsy or Gumroad. And this is going to be the first look that you're going to have on your RPG template, and this is where every page, every dashboard is in. So this page is the RPG customization, and all you have to do when you get this template is click on the duplicate template right at the top. So you'll be able to see on the top right of the page a copy or a duplicate icon. So just click on that, and then once you're able to duplicate this, then we can get started. So all you have to do is if you want to use this template as a dark or light modes, just use these functions on your keyboard. Control is for Windows and Command is for Mac. Likewise, okay, so and then first things first, go ahead and complete the first quest or your first welcome gift. So this is your welcome gift, as you can see, and then once you complete that, you'll be able to get 500 XP, HP, MP, and 250 coins. So click on complete to get your first gift for showing up. All right, and once you're done with that, you can browse these gamified graphics template. I'm going to be updating this one, so the link might be different, and I'm going to be putting in more links when it comes to making your Notion, I guess, more aesthetically pleasing for you. So again, these are just suggestions. You can put in more links that you prefer. So going down, this is basically the settings and gameplay section of your template. So going down, this is where you can set up your avatar, set up your quests, your traits, where to get XP and coins bonuses, how to navigate databases and the pages, and then these are the things that you can do in each of your dashboard right here. Okay, so this is, or these steps are very much ideal for Notion beginners to follow, so hopefully it will be detailed and easy enough for you to execute on your own. And then you do have it does have a step-by-step instructions here, so hopefully you won't be lost. And anytime you have questions or clarifications, just let me know. My email is in my Etsy, and it's also at the bottom of this page right here of this template. Okay, so again, for Notion beginners, I suggest that you also see the steps here in navigating databases, navigating pages on the databases, and then if you're used to using Notion already in your everyday life, then I highly suggest that you have a look at the things that you can do here in this section or toggles. All right, and these are the walkthrough videos where you can see how you can maximize the use of each of your dashboard for your profile: home base, workspace, study hub, cash flow, safe space, and village. So very quite optional, so you can choose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do post Notion tutorials every now and then, but since you already have this template and you wanted to learn more about Notion, I promise you that you'll be able to get the formulas as you use each of the template or each of the dashboard. All right, and in this, sorry, I'll zoom it more properly. In this section, I guess, for example, if you've already used or if you're already using another Notion template and you just want to use a database, for example, you can just do these steps if you wish to migrate new updates to your existing database, if you've already duplicated this template before and want to use that one. So if you've already bought this template and I have made updates to it, and you want to migrate new updates to your existing or your current database, then these are the steps under this toggle that is ideal to follow. So as you can see, this is very much ideal if you've already added some customizations to your existing system. So this is ideal for moderate to advanced users. So all you have to do is follow the steps right in here, and then hopefully it won't lead you astray. Okay, so for example, if you do want to use the new databases, but you have some old data that you want to use to the new database, for example, you've already bought this template, but you want to use the new system, but you want to migrate your old data. So these are the steps that might be easier to follow than this first one. So all you have to do is follow this one. This is ideal if you have not made any changes or customization on your existing databases and would like to use the updated dashboard but transfer your existing data to the new template. So ideal for newbies and moderate users. Okay, so you'll be able to see all of the links, all of the database in this section or in this block. Okay, feel free to change any of the names, any of the icons here. Alright, so I've already pasted the link where I found the icons, so feel free to source the icons from there. And these are the main dashboard that you can use for your everyday life. So all of these dashboard are related to almost every aspect of your life. So for example, your lifestyle, your health, your leisurely activities, your luxury, your shopping sprees, I guess, your livelihood, your career, your business, every aspect of your life, even including your hobbies. Okay, and you can also include your studies here if you're a student, and you can also manage your finances very, very efficiently in this dashboard. Okay, and there is a fun page right here. This is basically just an additional fun tidbit that I added to the gamified life planner, and hopefully this will also improve your productivity in a very, very, very fun way. Okay, so moving on and scrolling down our RPG customization page, the sections below will let you adjust the rewards on any of your page before you complete the task or quest. Totally optional. However, I guess except for this one, because since this is the check-in rewards on a monthly basis, you can check in or refresh the check-in calendar. All you have to do is just click on this button. It will clear up the calendar with the dates. And then this is another bonus that I found. All you have to do is use this extension, add it to your browser, and then it will automatically fill the dates column once you've clicked on this button. Because I guess it's kind of tedious to edit the dates here one by one. It's not really like Excel where you can drag the dates downwards and have it filled up automatically. So this extension will be able to do that. All right, so yeah, all you have to do is just edit the awards here, the coins, the XP. It depends on how much you wanted to earn actually. So yeah, you can edit the rewards here, and it's pretty much the same for your traits, skills. You can also edit your character profile here. It depends on you actually, so you'll be able to adjust this on your profile dashboard and not here. So no need to do it here basically. And then the character level awards, this is basically the awards that you want to get each time your avatar levels up. So there are steps that you can do, and then you can fill in or change the award XP and coins each time you reach a particular level. So that's it for the avatar level, and you can just follow the steps right here. And then yeah, there are steps inside each toggle so that you won't be lost whenever you try to adjust any part of this. All right, so again, but basically again, they're pretty much optional, so you can adjust anything actually besides here in the RPG customization page. You can change it on any of your dashboards. All right, this will just basically make it easier, I guess, on the first try. But again, totally optional. So all of these toggles will let you adjust any of the rewards you want to get before you complete any of the quests, any of the projects, any of the learnings, any of your wishlist item rewards. So yeah, hopefully it's not you'll be able to follow through. And again, any kind of clarification question, we do have a Discord where you can share your question and even share your progress with us, and hopefully you'll have fun using it. So, and this one, by the way, this is where you can add or edit levels to the town rank. So this column right here is, for example, if you have like one townspeople, I guess, one character, and then even if you haven't cleared any scenario, you'll be able to reach this rank. Okay, feel free to change the rank title here. Okay, and then feel free to change the number figures right here, and you can also add new levels to it. Okay, and yeah, hopefully that's pretty much straightforward. And then how do you add levels to your favorite characters? So all you have to do is, for example, if you've gained 2 affinity points and then you've cleared, I guess, 2 scenarios, you'll be able to reach this NPC rank. Okay, so it actually depends. So even if it's like, 4 affinity points and 0 scenarios cleared, you'll still be able to reach this rank. Okay, so hopefully that will be as clear as it can be. And again, you can add levels to this if you've already reached the maximum. Okay, and then feel free to edit the power or the life force of the monsters that you've added right here. It might be easier to add it or edit the figures right here in a table form rather in a gallery form, right? So yeah, so all of these adjustments can be done in a table form, which might make it smoother and easier for you to load. And this can also be adjusted, like how many HP they've lost, how much MP they've lost, how much damage they're given you, and how much MP damage you've taken from them, right? So you can edit this. All right, no need to worry about editing any of these. So as long as it's under a toggle, you'll be able to edit that. All right, and then penalties before battle, weapon and affinity stats before battle, you'll be able to edit it here. There you go. Okay, so you'll be able to adjust the items in your inventory right here very easily. And the sections below will let you adjust the rewards on any of your page after you complete the task. So for example, you've completed your check-in, your quest, your learning, anything that you've completed, but you wanted to change your mind and you wanted to change the rewards that you've taken. For example, you wanted bigger rewards, you can go ahead and edit that right in here in this section. Okay, as long as it's under remedy, rewards remedy, you'll be able to get or edit any of the rewards right here. Okay, and then any questions, clarifications, if you still want discount codes for, I guess, more Notion templates in the future, Notion tips and tricks, and just hanging out, just gaming, go ahead and join our Gamified Notion RPG Discord server. We're not really a big crowd yet, so I hope you don't mind. So it's a very intimate crowd, I guess. But if you want to upgrade or maximize your Notion to its full potential, you can subscribe to my Substack. It's a free subscription, so I don't have any paid tiers. So any tutorial that you will read on here will be for free. All right, so I do post more, I guess, more detailed, probably more clear Notion tutorials, and you'll be able to follow it step by step if you are subscribed to my Substack. So feel free to also follow me and subscribe to my YouTube and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this RPG customization walkthrough with me, and I hope you try to bear with it. It might seem a bit long, all of the things, or it might seem a bit too much what you need to do to set up this template, but I do promise that all of it will be worth it, and you'll be able to maximize it and use it quite smoothly on the next days ahead. So I really hope this template will help your life be more fun and interesting, and you know, basically change your mindset and to how you are living and romanticizing your life. So I did make this template so that yeah, that's the basic purpose. I want to gamify my own life. I wanted to make life more fun. I wanted to make it more challenging without it being heavy, without it being tedious, without it being boring, you know. So yeah, hopefully it will be able to achieve those goals for you as well. And again, I might be able to put up more I guess YouTube videos in the next, hopefully the next few weeks. I do have clients and I do have work, so I don't really have much time, but I will try my best to produce at least one YouTube video, I guess one each week. So yeah, thank you so much for bearing with me with this walkthrough, and I'm going to see you on our journey to our gamified life. Thank you so much. Bye.